And this way po, sir. So this is po the special altar. This is the center of the museum na special po talaga na we wanted to showcase to everybody. This is the altar of Doña Agatona, on which everything here was also commissioned in Spain. Galing pa po to Spain.
Pero sir, may question lang po ako.
Yes,
Ganito
po.
na po talaga yung ano
Yes
niya?
po, everything you see here, ganyan na po siya talaga.
Hindi nasira ng World War yan?
Hindi po.
Hindi.
Some parts. Pero meron na daw mga ano dito,
Mga nasirang parts,
pero
inayos.
ito hindi talaga.
Okay.
And then as you can see here, sir, dati po syempre hindi sila pwede mag-mass dito kasi wala pa silang decree or certificate or yung papal bull na tinatawag nila from the Vatican in Rome. Pero nung pinadalhan na po sila ni Pope Pius the 12, ayan po, they can have the oratory mass na po dito sa bahay. Yan, sa kanyang residence. So, the Holy Father also allowed masses of this altar, and under the First Vatican Council celebration of the Holy Eucharist, actually were not permitted in private homes as they are today. Pero nung pinadalhan na po siya ng ng papal bull na tinatawag po nila, this commemorates to the people na pwede na po siyang magmass dito. And kasi in those times, Spanish era po yun. That's why the family translated it to Spanish po, here po sa kabila.
This one?
Yes po. Ito na po yung Spanish translation po ng papal bull po na para mabasa po ng lahat in Spanish regarding po sa papal bull na po ito.
At least meron silang
kahapon nga meron akong bisita dito, binasa niya talaga. Sabi ko,
Fluent?
sir, di po tayo. alam niya mag-Espanyol. Ang galing. And yes.
Natuloy yung pag-aaral natin ng Espanyol.
Sa amin, sa tawag dito, nung college ako, meron kami language pero parang almost our French French and Chinese. Almost English po yun. Yes po. And in here naman po, kasi as I've told you kanina, di ba, mga matatanda, sir, na hindi pwedeng ipasok doon. Hindi pala makapasok. It's because, mga poor ones. So, si Doña Agatona, as partly of her service doon po sa church, she has what we so-call viatico publico. This happens...
Viatico publico.
Yes, caring for the weak po.
Caring for the weak.
Yes po. So it is an annual religious practice. Actually hanggang ngayon, sir, ginagawa po.
Pa rin.
Yes po, ginagawa. This event is every Sunday after Holy Week Sunday. And the family will throw flowers po sa mga bishops, sa mga seminarians na papasok dito. And then papasok sila dito with the incenso and everything. And then at 5 a.m. po, we will have a mass. They will have a mass here. Pero nandito na po lahat ng mga old people po na ito po. Yan. Sabi nga ng owner, yung iba diyan siguro mga anak pa ng mga old ladies dati ni Doña Agatona or mga apo na rin. Mga apo na rin. Ayan. And then after the mass po, they will celebrate po a big breakfast for everybody, especially for them. For them talaga. And then they will give monetary help, they will give food packages, gift packages, lahat po na maibigay nila. Sa tradition po of Doña Agatonas, parang we have this in our family that we have the money, why not share?
To others.
So parang that is the values that from Doña Agatona's time up to now, sa family po ni Miss Jean Gustilo, yan na lang po yung natira na apo sa tuhod yun. Po. Yes po. Mamaya po, ay po ko kayo. Baka nandyan siya, ipapakilala ko po kayo.
Sige.
Yes po. Para po you'll have a remembrance naman po. So, in here naman po, sir. Actually, this showcases all. As you can see here, this one is Palma, Cebu City na po siya ngayon. And Piemonte and Gamboa, these are sons. And then, Cardinal Sin, siya rin po nag-officiate nung libing ni Sir Carlos po dito. Nung namatay po si Sir Carlos. Ayan po, very, very close po talaga sila, sir. Ayan.
Nakakatuwa.
There po. And then, in here naman po is when Pope John Paul, I don't know if you've heard of it, in 1981, nag-visit siya dito sa Iloilo. Yes po. As you can see here, sir, the pictures of his arrival. Kasi po, si Sir Carlos po, ang chairman ng finance nung visit dito ni Pope John Paul. Yes po. And then, it was also in 1981 na kinoronahan po yung ating Nuestra Señora sa church. Moment sa pictures, kasi yung apo po ni Doña Agatona sa paa naman. Ito po siya, si Mamay. Yan po, siya po yung binitbit ni Pope John Paul po.
Wow.
Yes po. Ayan. So, we really showcased it here po. And in here, we also want to showcase the picture of the father of Ma'am Cecilia Montinola.
Virgilio.
Yes po, Virgilio Montinola. And the other side naman po is Ma'am Cecilia's mother naman po. Yes po. And by the way, this chair po is 1920s pa po to, sir.
Wow, sofa bed?
Yes.
Ang galing.
Meron na po sila.
Hindi ko alam na
Hindi na namin ito inupuan. Baka
Oo, ang galing naman. May sofa bed na pala noon.
Very strong.
Nasulihiya, no?
Yes po.
Nakakatuwa.
And as you can see here, this is the original pa po. May mga pinaayos lang po na some part. Yan po yung logo namin sa itaas.
Oo.
There po. Ayan.
Oo nga, no?
Yes po. Yes, sir. And in here naman po, sir, siguro kilala natin si Padre Pio. Yes po. So, in one of the place here in Iloilo City, which is Pototan, I don't know if you've heard of the Pototan na lugar.
Pototan, yes.
Yes. In Pototan, meron po kasing lote doon si Ma'am Cecilia, who is the mother of Miss Jean Halandoni Gustilo. Ma'am Jean Halandoni Gustilo, siya na lang po yung natira sa mga anak ni Ma'am Cecilia at ni Sir Carlos. Lahat po namatay na. That nagpatayo lang. Yes po. Hindi lang po na nagpatayo sila ng chapel dyan, but with the purpose po, with a mission. Para po sa mga tauhan. So, Ma'am Jean Gustilo had this built a chapel along with the benefactors, of course, and with the help of the devotees. Yun po yung gusto nila na maitugon doon sa Pototan. Lahat ng mga devotees matulungan nila. Mayroon pa silang mga food feeding, may help maraming child. Yes, especially sa mga bata at saka sa mga poor people in Pototan kasi marami yun doon. And if ever you get the chance to go there sa chapel po natin, please don't forget po, mag-pray po tayo dito kay Padre Pio. Ayan po. Then, yung mga Holy Rosaries po na iniwan yan dyan. Yes po. As long as you pray from your heart po and you know you're sincere and yung prayer mo po na for good. Of course, for good. Padre Pio will really grant it for you po. Yan po. So, here is the chapel po, sir, natin. That is in Batuan, Pototan, if ever you had the time to go there po.
Sige.
Opo. Actually, medyo malayo siya. Medyo malayo siya from here. And in here naman po is the story behind of the Opus Dei Center in Iloilo. Yes. Yung Opus Dei po kasi, sir, when it started, yung parang nag-uumpisa pa lang sila, dito po yan nag-start. Dito po sila nag-stay. Yung mga members po. Yes, nagsisimula pa lang po.
Dito sa bahay na ito.
Yes po. And if you've been to, I don't know if you've been to St. Clement's Church po, sir. Yung sa St. Clement's na church po, you've been there na po?
Saan po?
St. Clement's Church in La Paz.
Parang nagpunta na ako, sir.
One of the most important. Yes. Ayan po siya, sir. Ang retreat house po doon.
Yes. Nakapunta na nga po ako, yes.
Si Sir Carlos po nagtayo nun. Nagpatayo nun. Yes po. And then, as you can see here, actually, there's a trivia na dito ko lang rin nalaman. Kasi,
trivia yan, sir.
Kasi po, yung very first na novena, sabi nila, was recited in Baclaran, pero hindi po. Yung first novena ever that was recited is dyan sa La Paz, St. Clement's Church. Hindi po sa Baclaran.
Hindi talaga sa Baclaran.
Yes po, talaga sa Baclaran.
Good to know. At least now we know na dito naman talaga.
Po, sir, as you can see here, this is the wall where I would like to present to you of Sir Carlos with regards, kasi po dati yung mga bishops and yung mga priests dati, there is what they so-called, parang representative ka. Parang ikaw ang ni-represent. Parang ikaw, you are the one who has the right to be presented po sa Equestrian Order of the Holy Sepulchre of Jerusalem. So, within the Catholic Church po, for you to be the next protector of our church. Yan. So, you have to pass this 5 order. So, and here is the example and the photos of that nung pinasok na po nila, na-recommend na po nila si Sir Carlos. And this is the original cape that he wore in there. At saka, it is very special because meron po siyang natatak na po neto. Yung 5 cross, which means the 5 blood of Jesus Christ po natin. Yung sa head, kamay-kamay, tsaka sa paa po. Ito po yun. And, about naman po the order na dapat mong ipasa for you to be the protector of the church, for you to be the shield, parang ano nila, yung ganon. Si Sir Carlos, namatay siya sa second order. Nung second order pa lang siya. And that order po was the order of the Saint Gregory the Great na nag-grant po sa kay Sir Carlos. And as you can see here, nabigyan po siya ng certificate. Carulum is a Latin name, means Carlos po. Carulum. Yes, yan po yung Carlos in Latin. Yes po. And as you can see here, ito po yung sword na ibigay po sa kanya. There. And then, ayan po. And then, in here naman po, sir, siguro alam mo naman yung Knights of Columbus.
Parang
narinig mo na yan.
Pero hindi pa masyadong sir.
So, he is also a member of the Knights of Columbus and even awarded with the Knight of the Year in 1982. Dito po, sir. And this was the sword that was given to Sir Carlos Halandoni po. And here is the certificate that was given to him. Actually, Knights of Columbus is very famous here in Iloilo. I don't know if in Manila kung... Pero KFC, narinig mo na rin yan siguro, sir, Knights of Columbus.
Yeah. Narinig ko pero hindi ko masyadong naalam yung detalye.
Okay. And in here naman po, yung clock po nila na famous. Actually, they wanted it fixed. Kaso lang, if they have it fixed, sir, it will be a modern type of things na ikakapit po nila sa likod. So, wala na kasing mga piyesa na from their times pa. Kaya yun. Kaya they had it preserved like this na lang po. Hindi na po nila pinaayos ng sa bago pag yun.
Parang display na lang siya.
Yes po, opo. And in here po, this is the, what they call, the Comedor Formal dati, sir.
Sa dalawang...
It actually po, ano na to? It's
very...
Yes po. Yes po. Pero ito, lumang-luma pa po to. Yes.
Vintage.
Hi, good afternoon. Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Hi.
She is one of the member of the Opus Dei. Nasa picture doon, actually.
Hi.
From Manila po na visitor, ma'am.
Hello po.
You're the vlogger?
Yes, I am.
Welcome to Iloilo.
Maraming salamat po.
Good afternoon. Welcome na.
Papasok ba tayo dyan, sir?
Yes.
Okay lang.
Okay lang,
Oh, wow.
Yes, ma'am. And welcome po sa Comedor Formal po ng kami.
Comedor Formal.
Po, this is the dining area where events, special events, mga conferences, mga meetings, especially with the Bishops Businessman's Conference po. Kasi po, si Sir Carlos po, he is the chairman of the BBC Iloilo and Bacolod, entire Bacolod in Iloilo City po. Siya po yung chairman na Bishops Businessmans po.
Oh, wow.
And then, in here din po was held the luncheon of the Apostolic Nuncio. In here, as you can see, every visitor
from
Manila, from US, from
nakakatawa.
Saang lugar. Dito
There
po,
are so many memories
pinaka-
talaga of
Yes
him.
po. And as you can see here, Cardinal. And so as with the mga Americans na bibisita dito, yan, dito po sila, sir. And then, so here naman po are the collections of...
Sir, na-curious ako sa China cabinet.
Yes,
Keepsake.
this is the collection of Doña Agatona na parang hindi talaga nila ginamit to.
Oo nga, parang display.
Hindi nila ginamit
Oo,
talaga
hindi
to.
nagamit ito.
Yes, the
Grabe.
parang nilinis lang nila to, pero hindi
This
to
is
talaga
mahal na
nila.
to mga ganito. No?
Yes. Sobrang mahal nito,
Oh,
sir.
vintage na itong mga to.
Super vintage
Oo.
talaga. Yes, po. And here are some of the
Wow!
Donya Agatona, mga silver po na mga yung ano dati, yung mga wine glass na
Oh, ang lili.
ito po yun. Ayan po, di ba? Oh, ano pa yan, collection pa yan. Buti na lang hindi nasira pa. Itago pa nila. Sa ilalim po si Miss Tackro kasi doon na malaki. Sa likod ng fountain.
Oo.
Yes.
Ah.
And here are
Wow.
some collections. Super sensitive na po talaga to. Kaya hindi na po namin inamin.
Oo.
Yeah. And also here, the plates po, the collections of
Ito parang nabasag na nga ito, sir.
Oo, sir. Pero it's still okay.
Oh, still okay, yes.
Oo, pero na-tape lang namin kasi
Pag Phoenix mo pa yan, baka mamaya
mas
lalong sumira.
yes,
Kaya
mas
ganyan na
lalong
lang.
sumira siya,
Oo.
oo. And as you can see here, sa kanilang dining po tila but sir, this is a Chinaware, it's silverware. Ito pa talaga yung ginagamit nila dati.
Alam mo, sir, iniisip ko kanina, akala ko may kakain. So ano pala siya, parang set up na,
Yes. Set up na lang po namin.
Oh,
Para
set up,
kita niyo po
yeah.
if what it is, their set up before po. Every time they have conferences or events in this hall po.
okay.
And in here po.
Akala ko may magdi-dinner eh. Nakakatuwa.
Okay po,
Tapos
sir,
eto,
this is the Comedor Informal. So this is where the
Comedor
family
Informal.
eats dati po. Yes po. And I'd like you to meet Ma'am Jean. Siya po yung sinasabi kong anak ni Ma'am Cecilia and Sir Caris na lang.
Nag-iisa.
Yes po.
Oh.
Ma'am Jean, ito po siya.
Ay, si Ma'am Jean.
Sir po,
Hi.
vlogger from Manila po.
Hello po.
Yes. Sir,
Hello.
this is our Comedor Informal. That is coffee shop na po.
Hi.
And those
Hi,
are
sir.
also operations.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you po.
Finally, sabi ko dati nung 2022, sana gawin nilang something na coffee restaurant. Kasi wala pa to before di ba? Nung galing ako.
ngayon-
Kaya nung nakita ko sa Facebook, ay, ang galing naman. Ginawa na nilang cafe, which is good. Yes po, noong 2022.
Okay.
Nag-vacation and then nag-say.
Yes po, oo.
For his vlog.
Oh, that's
He
good.
vlogs a lot of the heritage
Oh.
houses.
Hello po, nice meeting you po.
So, continue na po.
You're from Manila?
Yeah, yes po, I'm from Manila.
So came for what?
I'm a vlogger of heritage houses and ancestral houses. Yes po.
So,
Yan po yung mga pinipicture ko.
Mag-YouTube na po tayo.
Oo. Thank you so much po.
And to continue po, sir, dito lang po tayo, please.
Sige.
And in
Thank you,
here
sir.
naman Po, these are also the part of the collections from the heritage. And ito po, sir, ayan po. Ito po yung mga kasama nung nasa ilalim. Yung
Pinakita natin
sa
sa
katabi ng ng frame ni Doña Agatona doon. And here are the collections of the silverwares that she has before. Actually, yung iba nga mga na yan these are originals po, kaya hindi mo makikitang may rust siya. Yes po. Kasi pag may rust daw, hindi yun original. Stainless steel, parang ganon yun po. Yes po. And then in here po, also some of the collections of the plates. Actually, this is the personalized dining plates na collection po. Yes po. Actually, this has a story. Yung plates na ito. Kasi po, yes po, kasi dati, after nung World War II, di ba, nung World War II, umalis dito yung family. Kasi nga may war. Nung bumalik sila dito, pinaayos na lahat. One day daw, yung mag-asawa, si Doña Agatona at si Don Roberto, lumabas daw ng Haro Plaza doon. Nakita daw nila to binibenta. So, instead na awayin niya or, that's my place. Noon. So, binili niya na lang. And this is was a gift also to Doña Agatona, yung na-supper po. Yung iba, dati, ngayon parang pictures, frames na na lang makikita mo. So, dati daw ganyan talaga. Yes, oo.
3D.
Ganyan daw talaga. Oo, ganyan. Sabi ko, dapat lagyan to ng glass para ma-3D. Parang na talaga. Yes po. Ayan. And this one, parang nakita na lang nila to sa mud. Sa mud. Parang na lang nila, tinagpitagpit na lang nila.
Tsaka pasag na siya,
ni-assemble. Pero in-assemble pa talaga nila. Kasi it is part of this collection here. At saka meron pa itong mga kasama, pero wala na. Ito na lang po. Ito na lang yung special pinay namin na nakita. Po. And then, in here po, sir, pasok pa tayo dito. Actually, yes po. And then, this room here, nung di ba sabi ko si Ma'am Cecilia and si Sir Carlos yung ano na dito, nag-take over na. So this used to be the room of Ma'am Jean and Ma'am Rose. Eto po sir, dito po tayo please. And this is the family of Sir Carlos and Ma'am Cecilia and their brother, Jo Marie, Ma'am Rose, Sir Miguel, and Sir Carlos, di pangalan nito, and Ma'am Jean. Yung chef namin, yung mataba, ito yung father niya. He just died noong February po.
Parang di ba siya artista?
Parang artista, sir, no?
Sino ba yan?
Yes po. Ayun, ang gwapo niya actually. Oh. And this, si Sir Miguel po, he died nung 6 years old ka po siya. Yes po. And then we had here the piano na 102 years old na po. But it's still working po. And yeah, you can still play with the piano dito, sir, in here. Yes po, it's still working. Lahat po, it's still working pa po. And then, if, please, dito po. Ayan po. Sir, ayan po. 1920 pa po.
1920.
Yes po. So, 80 plus 24, 104 na pala. 104 years old na po. And in here po, sir, this is the coin collection of Sir Carlos. Ayan po. Actually, some of the collection lang po to. Ang dami pa po
Some
nito.
pa lang ito,
Yes po. I think mga 1/4 pa lang to. Mga 1/4 pa lang to. Some of which were gift, were bought. Even from Vatican po, sir, meron po siyang picture po dyan. Manoy po dyan. Ayun. And in here naman po, as a part of the memorabilia of Sir Carlos po, you know, he loves playing golf. Yes. As you can see, nung bata pa siya, teenager siya, and then, nung matanda na siya, nag-may golf, parang golf is life. The Butingtings of
The Butingting.
Cecilia.
Oo.
And in here naman po, these are the 4th and 5th generations of the family.
4th and
Sila na
5th.
Po, yes, sila na po yung ano ko.
The one who managing the
yes, the
cafe.
entire, family na ano po. And sila na po yan.
So they're all based here in Iloilo.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. And they even help you dito po sa museum sometimes if they have time. Kasi sa kanila naman talaga to the entire family. But
Grabe
this
ang-
house is used for events na lang po.
Oo, for events
Kasi
na lang.
meron na rin po silang mga family,
Okay.
pamilya nila.
Oo.
And in here po, sir, I'd like to showcase this part of the house. This is actually the center of the house here. Please.
The sunset.
This is facing the church. As
Oh.
I've told you, this one here. Excuse lang.
Excuse lang po, sorry po.
Thank you. Here po. This is the
Ay,
entire
oo.
society. They really had it built here because it is the center of the church, as you can see here po. And then, dati po kasi sir, in their times, pag nag-bell na daw, meron po kasing bell nang mag-ring na pauwi na daw si Doña Agata.
May ganon?
Yes. And then, sir, si Don Roberto, dito po siya mag-stay. While watching her wife going home.
Really?
Yeah. So, parang nasa movie lang, no? Pero
Oo,
talaga.
galing
That's
naman.
what they had it here back in Paris. And if you have seen there noong 1949 na na-rebuild na ulit yung bahay, this is really the center because it's facing the church.
Oo.
Yan po.
Talaga?
Yes po. So, this is also why this family had been turned into museum. You see, as I've told kanina po, it is what the values that we want to show to the people, and we want to tell the people that it's not only, a house that is being built in here, but a home where until now, from their generations, is Doña Agatona's characteristic po, the love, the service for the people, the
Yes.
church po,
Oo.
and everything po na they want to tell the people na yun yung parang kahit na 1927 pa, but until now, pwede talagang mangyari what is Doña Agatona before. Even po sa kanilang time na yun. And even Ma'am Jean, here po, ang the last of the Mohicans,
Oo.
whatever it is, ang tulong sa mga tao, sa church, even in Pototan, dito sa lahat, ang dami po niyang tinutulungan po. That we wanted to tell you kung ano si Doña Agatona. Until now po, ganun din po. Until sa mga kaapuhan sa mga apo.
Oh,
Yun
taapo
po.
sa talampakan,
Yes.
no?
So the values there that we want to tell the people, I hope that it will be spread all throughout po. So that's why we had this museum here. Thank you very much for
Thank you so
coming.
much, sir.
Thank you very much. po.
Maraming salamat
I am
po.
Rinal and hope everybody would come to visit the Agatona 1927 Museum. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, so ito yung ating drinks. Tapos yung cookie nila, maliit siya pero masarap siya. Gusto ko siya. Kaya lang bitin yung dalawang cookie. Sarap.